Hello, library instructors. This is Rod with Library Workshops. First off, I got to say thank you. I mean, because of you guys, we were able to put more than 70, catch that, 70 valuable, fun, and entertaining workshops throughout our entire system. That means we've got classes in Smithton and Freeburg and Breeze and Belleville and Carlisle and Centralia and O'Fallon, and what, you get the idea. I mean, 70 opportunities for people to get out there and to learn, to explore, to experience something new. And for that, I really got to thank you. This is going to really help the libraries out as well, as it brings a lot of attention to them. Now, as you may already know, a lot of the workshops are selling out already, and some need some drastic help. But realize that this is just our first step. This is our first catalog, which just came out. I'm going to go ahead and put a link to the catalog below, and feel free to share that with friends and family. Now, if you don't notice one of yours in there, there's a reason. Small business classes and financial classes, they're going to get their own special catalog that's going to come out a little bit later. And if something came in a little late, well, that's going to get a little special attention individually as each one rockets through. Now, as you might know, some libraries get they've got it down for how to market their stuff, and some really don't know how, and they need our help. So what I'm going to ask you to do is something a little bit crazy, and something that will work, trust me, and I'll prove it to you by showing you the numbers. If all of our teachers, if all of us can, when library workshops post, like let's say a picture of a class that had just happened, or an event that's coming up. I mean, not just your own, but everybody's. If you like that event, if you comment on that event, well, that draws attention from your group. And if all of us did that, then that's a lot of people looking at a lot of different classes. And then some of those people might actually like a class, maybe not yours, but somebody else's, which would then share it to somebody else who might just like yours. But see, the point is that on social media, we have to be social. We have to share. And this means it's more than just one person. It's more than just one library. It's all of us. We all have to do this. Now, I've asked our library directors to do the same thing, to share these events so that Library Workshops itself gets known. And again, I can't stress this enough. It's not just one person that's going to make this happen. It's all of us. It's a shared responsibility that we have to make sure that not just our class, but everyone's classes is promoted and marketed well. And at a minimum, all that means is that we like and share and hopefully comment on everything that we see coming through on Library Workshops. And as far as that goes, I'll provide a link and send out a weekly thing saying, hey, you know what, if you haven't liked or shared this, please do. So you don't have to do much, although if you did, go ahead and hit the like part on Library Workshops. At least you'll be notified when new things come up. All right, other than that, we'll also be sending you guys all of the marketing material that we made for your classes. It's a lot of fun stuff. There's actually some small social media videos as well. And as time goes by, we'll be able to build this up bigger and bigger. So again, some of you are going to be very, very happy with the amount of people that you've got coming, and we've had to actually close some out already. However, and then there'll be some of you who in certain libraries where, well, you'll be able to tell right away if they market well. Have some faith, though. Once we get this rolling, once we get a lot of people to know who we are and what we do, trust me, they're going to come. I've already got the proof of that. So again, thanks so much for participating, guys. We appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you real soon.